Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change stroke color and stroke color white. This is my PDF file and I'll say this text stroke color. Click on the home option and select here edit download and select text. Now click on this text box and select your text, and here you will find this format option, and this is stroke color white. I'll make it 0.2 and stroke color I'll make it more color option. Right, so this in color and select OK, and see this stroke color now says. Also says this text stroke color and make it this stroke, and see this stroke color now says, and this stroke color apply this one, and see this in this you can see the text stroke color. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.